Understanding infrastructure as code with Terraform. Introduction. Welcome everyone. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of infrastructure as code, focusing on a powerful tool called Terraform. Let's discover how it revolutionizes the way we manage and provision our IT infrastructure. But what is infrastructure as code, IAC? Traditionally, managing IT infrastructure involved manual processes, often through graphical interfaces. Infrastructure as code changes this by using configuration files. This method offers a safe, consistent, and repeatable way to build, change, and manage infrastructure. You can version, reuse, and share these configurations, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. Introducing Terraform. Terraform, developed by HashiCorp, is a leading IAC tool. It enables you to define and manage infrastructure using human-readable, declarative configuration files. Terraform manages the entire lifecycle of your infrastructure, providing a seamless experience from creation to modification and deletion. Advantages of using Terraform. Terraform stands out for several reasons. It supports multiple cloud platforms, uses a human-readable configuration language, and maintains a state file to track resources change. Additionally, its integration with version control systems allows for safe and collaborative infrastructure management. Terraform's extensibility. Terraform's versatility is enhanced by its providers, which are plugins allowing interaction with various cloud platforms and services. With over 1,000 providers, you can manage resources across AWS, Azure, GCP, and many more. Terraform even allows you to write your own providers if needed. Standardizing deployment workflow. Terraform's approach to infrastructure is based on resources and modules. Its declarative language focuses on the desired end state rather than the process. This, coupled with automatic dependency calculation, streamlines your deployment workflow in a consistent and efficient manner. Terraform deployment workflow. Deploy infrastructure with Terraform involves several steps: scoping your project, authoring configurations, initializing plugins, planning your changes, and applying them. This structured approach ensures precision and predictability in your deployment. Tracking infrastructure. Terraform uses a state file to keep a real-time record of your infrastructure. This file is crucial for Terraform to understand the changes needed to align your real infrastructure with your configurations, ensuring consistency and control. Collaboration with Terraform. Terraform enhanced collaboration throughout its remote state backends and integration with version control systems. Terraform Cloud, for instance, allows team members to securely share state files and manage changes in a controlled environment, avoiding avoiding conflicts and enhancing teamwork. In conclusion, to conclude, Terraform is a robust and versatile tool that brings the principle of infrastructure as code to life. It simplifies, automates, and enhances the way we handle IT infrastructure, making it an essential skill for modern IT professionals. Thank you for joining me exploring Terraform.